welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to remove bloatware from your Android mobile device. Say that you purchased your mobile device from your telecom provider and it came pre-installed with applications like Facebook and Amazon Shopping. There might be a situation where you're stuck, not able to uninstall the application in your mobile device, but you're only able to disable it.
For example, if you want to uninstall Facebook, it gives you an option just to disable but not to uninstall. For example, let's see Twitter. See, there's an option to uninstall, but for Facebook there's only an option to disable. Amazon Shopping, there's only option to disable, but there's no option to uninstall.
Don't worry, there's a fix for this. In today's video I'm going to show you how to do it. First step, Google for Android Debug Bridge in your browser, and from the Android developer website download the ADB standalone package which you can see at the middle of the screen. When you scroll, download the link and unzip it in your system. Next, again Google for Android file transfer application, and from the Android developer website download the application and install it in your system. Step 2. Open the terminal command line application in your Mac OS. Now type the following command to locate the downloaded ADB folder via the terminal. Type cd space downloads and press enter. Now you'll see the list of the downloaded platform ADB platform tools folder in your directory. Next, again type cd space platform -tools and press enter. Now you should see ADB inside the folder. Now type /ADB and it will list all the commands of ADB platform for your reference. Step 3. Now we need to enable developer option in the Android device. Now on your Android mobile device, under settings, tap on about phone and now tap on software information, and now tap on the build number till it says developer mode is enabled. Keep tapping. Now you see that developer mode is enabled. Now go back to previous menu. You will now see developer options at the bottom of the screen. Now tap on developer option and enable USB debugging mode. Now press OK. Now connect your mobile device to your Mac system via the USB cable. It will open Android file transfer. Minimize that window and tap allow prompt on your mobile device. Step 4. Now let's continue typing these commands to uninstall the required applications through the terminal. Now type /ADB space devices. This will list the attached mobile device to your Mac operating system. Now type /ADB space shell and press enter. Now again type pm space list space packages space grep space within single quotes Amazon. It will list the package name. In our case it's com.amazon.mshop.android.shopping. Now type pm space uninstall space -k space --user space 0 space com.amazon.mshop.android.shopping and press enter. it will show success. The app is successfully uninstalled in your mobile device. Now type pm list space packages space grep space within single quotes Facebook. It will list com.facebook.katana. Now in the next line type pm space uninstall space -k space --, space user space 0 space com.facebook.katana and press enter. You will now get success status on the next line. Now Facebook is successfully uninstalled from your mobile device. Thanks for watching this video. To watch more videos like this, subscribe to my YouTube channel.